Hola amigos. I was just getting ready to head out, take a walk. But I follow Drea. She is beautiful and she is currently dating a basketball player, and they just had a daughter, or not just, but she's still a baby. But anyways, she was working out and she has an amazing body and she is gorgeous, and she had said something about Botox, that she hadn't gotten her Botox. And I'm like, damn, fuck, I know I have lines everywhere. Like, seriously, like, I need work. But you're beautiful and you have a 20-some-year-old man. I don't know why you feel like you need, like, Botox and shit, or even to announce that stuff. Like, it's just showing insecurities. Am I wrong, fellas? Like, if you love us, you love us. Botox or not, I don't know that that's going to make us any better or sexier. But I'm just trying to figure out if I'm wrong or right.